In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find and view all comments that you've made on YouTube ever using just your smartphone. So go ahead onto your YouTube app like I've done here. Make sure you are logged in, then tap onto the U icon in the lower right hand corner to bring up the history and playlist. You then want to tap onto the history option right here with the extended right pointing arrow. Once here, tap onto the 3 vertical dots right next to the search icon. And both of these options will be located at the very top right. So go ahead and tap onto the 3 vertical dots right there. Once here, you want to tap onto option that says manage all history. So go ahead and tap onto manage all history. On this page, you see 3 tabs. You will see history, controls, interactions tab. Go ahead and tap onto interactions tab and then select underneath video interactions, comment, likes and dislikes. You should now be able to see all of your comment, likes and dislikes here. If you want to delete any comments, you can just tap the little X that appears at every comment you made. Leaving that for now, your comments will appear here together with the date you commented at any specific video on YouTube. That's it, folks. If this video helped, let me know in comments and I will see you in the next one. Bye.